Hello kids, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn vegetables name. Hi kids, I am juicy, radish and yummy tomato. Hi, I am corn, the tall and tasty plant with yellow seeds. Hi kids, I am eggplant, a purple veggie with a smooth, shiny skin. Kids, I am Scotch, a vibrant and versatile veggie. I come in different shapes and color. Hi kids, I am broccoli, the green tree like veggie. I thrive in gardens and am packed with vitamins. Hi kids, I am avocado, the creamy green fruit. I have got a big pit inside. Hello kids, I am mushroom, a tasty fungus that grow in the wild or on farms. Hi kids, I am onion. I have layers and make foods tasty. Hi kids, I am cucumber, the cool and crunchy green veggie. I am great for snacks and salads. Hi kids, I am potato. I am like a superhero veggie that can be mashed, fried. Hi kids, I am turnip, the round and tasty root veggie. I grow underground and have a slightly peppery flavor. Hello kids, I am peas. I am those little green guys that like to stick together. Hi kids, I am carrot, the orange superstar of veggies. I grow underground and have a sweet crunch. Hi kids, I am ladyfinger, the long and slender green veggie. I am also known as okra. Hi kids, I am radish, the crunchy, colorful root veggie. I grow underground and come in various shades. Kids, so today we are learned about cucumber, onion, mushroom, avocado, turnip, broccoli, corn, tomato and eggplant.